Okay guys, I'm going to let you look at a little bit of this clip here. I'll show you where to go find him if you want sort of a quick update of what's going on. Geo weather, space weather news, that's this guy's channel, and he does a little daily updates. So I'm going to let you hear some of what he's saying here, okay?
Good morning, folks. Welcome, observers. Today we're seeing the sun, earthquakes, weather forecast for the next several months, an ancient event in the Red Sea, and an excellent archaeomagnetic study using Argentinian pottery. We're starting, as always, with the last 24 hours on our star, and we find it was mostly quiet. Did get one mid-range M-class solar flare, but it was over at the departing limb. The coronal hole turning through, and we've got a sunspot to watch. So let's break that down in a bit more detail. The M-class flare yesterday happened over at the limb. Gorgeous plasma loop, but mostly confined and not aimed at our planet anyway. Meanwhile, the big sunspots have departed while smaller ones dance around harmlessly. There is one new group born at the incoming limb, however, and we're going to monitor that for continued development today. Lastly, in space weather, the filaments have remained stable, which means it's just this coronal hole stream on the way. Forecast to arrive on Sunday and drive minor geomagnetic storm conditions. Couple big quakes of note. 7.4 in the Philippines has killed at least 2 people, significant damage to structures. And the magnitude at Papua New Guinea keeps tracking upward, another big one at the island there. And folks, La Nina is here now. It looks like for at least the next 3 months, that's going to be the story. It is worth looking up what La Nina means for your location.
Okay, I'm going to stop it there just so I don't take too much of his because they're very short. So it's on Space Weather News parentheses SO parentheses. It used to be called Suspicious Observers, I think. And then when the whole crackdown, everybody started getting kicked off of YouTube and stuff for talking about things they didn't want to talk about. Then he had to change his channel name, I think. So it's the name of the video, though, is Solar Watch, Big Quake, La Nina, Red Sea, Pole Shift, SO for Suspicious Observers, News, October 10th, 2025, okay? So you can go and look on that, and he will give you little updates daily, I think, about what's going on. So he's another one to watch, as well as that Stefan Burns guy, if you want to know what's going on in the natural about these things, okay? All right, stay posted.